What's up, Muscle Car people? This is Brain Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt, and this is Jerry. What are we getting ready to do?
Well, first thing we're gonna do is shave Matt's face because it looks disgusting.
I'm not gonna shave for 2 weeks.
We are prepping for drag week, the only day we can, Labor Day, which we both have off work. It's the only day we can, unlike some guys who are bailing out, going to their backup car, backup car, it's getting pretty bad. But yeah, we're just doing some light stuff today, putting the wheels back on, putting some trim pieces back on.
We're gonna wash the car?
Wash the car, more road trip stuff probably more than drag racing stuff.
Maybe wrap the door?
Maybe cover the stickers, which that's still a gray area of what will be allowed and won't be allowed, but other than that, we should be good. We got steel valve stems in the wheels. We
did buy new wheels, tires.
We have our Mickey Thompson ET Streets. Should be nice. We have, that's it, I don't know.
We're gonna pack some tools.
Pack some tools, yeah.
Even though he doesn't want to bring tools. We're also gonna make sure the cooler fits. He also doesn't want to bring tools. And just get ready, I guess, basically.
Yeah.
Stuff, right?
Goal is 11.99 average. Our best so far is at 12.2, so it's gonna be a lofty goal. We'll see if the low altitude tracks can help. And
have you ever ran on Cecil?
no,
Oh,
I've not ran on any one of the tracks that we're about to go to.
So that's why you didn't want the patch that I bought.
Correct.
I didn't know that. I bought him a patch. It was pretty awesome. At Yellow Bullet. Check out Yellow Bullet. But he didn't want the patch until he earned it.
Mm-hmm.
I have been getting ready. I've been making him make lists, planning, all that stuff. I've been getting ready by ordering these awesome shades off of Amazon for 20 bucks. I think they're pretty cool. And I got rid of the loafer, and I got a pair of Puma sneakers because I think it'll be a long week on my feet, so I can't wear
I'm
the
just gonna
loafer.
rent all these.
Yeah. So.
vlog style, man. Vlog style. Matt, how's it going?
Not very good.
It's not very good. We're half-assing vinyl right now, but it's better than whatever. Other than that, things are going good, except that we need new front tires because they won't pass tech, according to the internet and Matt Skelly, who's an expert drag racer.
I am kind of an expert.
He drag races more than the rest of us, so he's more qualified. But yeah, we're gonna have to do something for tires. And the sticker thing's good.
Thanks for me.
We added windshield washer fluid, so that's good. Things are going well.
I was worried about the windshield washer fluid.
Drag week prep today.
Yeah, it was essentially me wrapping the doors and the panels with scrap that I had from my G8, just so we could cover the stickers that Jared refused to take off.
What else did you do?
Pretty much nothing. I don't think we did. You sat there. You chopped up the Prelude.
Well, I checked some fluids. I secured us new tires for the front because apparently the ones we have aren't good enough. What else did I do? That's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah. Then I put the ones that we're gonna ride on the back on. So that'll be good.
Both have more tread on them?
No, they're all equally bad. I Rain-X'd the windshield. I put windshield washer fluid in. I put in our sick new fuse box cover. That's it.
We're gonna get the tools right tomorrow. Because I'm done for the day. I got important stuff to do.
He's worn out from all the work. If you like this video, I bet you don't because it was terrible. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, follow us on Drag Week, not Mustang Week, that's canceled. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it.